Welcome back, YouTube, to another air fryer recipe, one where we cook something in there. This is Frank's RedHot buffalo style boneless chicken bites, and this is the back of it. At the end of the video I will include pictures, but you can't go wrong. So let's open these up and put them in the air fryer basket. Alright, YouTube, so this is what they look like in the bag. So you want to just take them. And you see these nice quality boneless chicken bites. Man, these things look so good. So you just want to fill this, and then we'll put it in the fryer. Alright, YouTube, so we have them in there, and let's put them in the air fryer. Alright, YouTube, so we got them in there. Now push it in there, and we're going to do it at 400 for 10 minutes. At 5 minutes or 3 minutes, we'll turn everything. Alright, YouTube, so it says turn food. Look at those. Look at the color of that. So we just want to turn them and then put it back in. Alright, YouTube, so just take a fork or tongs and just turn them over and then put them back in. Alright, so they're turned. Put them back in and let them finish off, and then we're eating. And there you have it, YouTube. There's those RedHot buffalo boneless chicken bites. Look at that. Look how they came out. Nice golden color. And you can find that in your frozen food. But this shows you how the air fryer can make frozen food taste even better. So please subscribe, hit the like, and I'll bring you many more frozen foods in the air fryer. Love you, Dan Soy. Bye-bye.